quick 1-minute hands-on style comparison between two GoPros, well, one of them feels like a very different beast. So I tested the GoPro Hero 13 Black against the new Mission 1 Pro, and honestly, the gap is bigger than I expected. The Hero 13 Black is still a solid action cam. 5.3K footage looks sharp, slow motion is great, and it's reliable. But in low light, you start to see noise, and long recordings can heat it up pretty fast. Now the Mission 1 Pro, this feels more like a compact cinema camera. The jump to an 8K sensor and GP3 processor is noticeable immediately. Footage is cleaner, dynamic range is way better, and night shots don't fall apart like before. The slow motion is also wild, up to 960 FPS bursts, and it stays cool even during long 4K recording sessions. Audio is another big upgrade too, especially with 32-bit float support. So yeah, Hero 13 is still great for action. But the Mission 1 Pro? That's aiming way beyond action cams.